This video will be discussing about top 5 businesses that you can start with practically no money. Sometimes it may be hard to believe, but the good can come out of bad events. There's a saying that says, if you have a lemon, you need to learn how to make lemonade. Similarly, during lockdown, there were some valuable lessons. For the employers, it was awareness that automation can increase the profits and employees are not needed. There was also a lesson for the employees. Awareness was created that they do not need to go to work to earn. They could work from home and still produce more. Before we get into the details about the businesses that you can start, please be sure to like and share this video. Also, please check out the links to the programs referred in this video. Please be sure to check disclaimers in the description section. If you ever need to discuss any aspect of this video, I'm available for consultation, no charge, no pressure, no sales. Also, look out for special bonus. Information will be given at the end. For free consultation, here is the link. Kindly state your phone number or the method that I should contact you at designated time. Thank you. You'll be amazed to learn that within last 20 years, 80% of millionaires were self-made. Only 20% millionaires became millionaires because of inheritance. So what is the new source of wealth? Simple. Information and taking action on those information. Let me give you a case study. I had a family friend who was a sign language interpreter. She earned $30 an hour and was employed full-time employee. So that amounted to $1,200 a week and $62,400 per year. But in reality, she only received $870 a week and her total net was $45,240 per year. After numerous discussion, I suggested that she become independent contractor for a couple of big reasons. One, she'd be on her own, and second, sign language interpreter are in demand. She was able to charge $45 per hour as independent contractor with the same employer. The employer went along with that because the employer did not have to pay any benefits or anything like that, and now her salary was $1,800 per week, $93,600 per year. Since she was on 1099, she received all of that $1,800 per week, and the total taxes she wound up paying was only $9,360. The reason is very simple. If you are a 1099 or a business person, you get paid first. And ironically, that you pay taxes only all expenses are deducted. These expenses you cannot deduct from the wages, but from a business, you can. Of course, you need to consult with your own accountant for your own situation, but analysis may be necessary so you will benefit in the long run. So the first we will be looking into is business or activity that relates to course building. Mark my word, online courses is the future of education. With the strategy and experience, after a while, you'll be able to form your own e-learning company. Lynda.com was started as simply an education type of website where lessons were provided. And later on, about 20 years later, the site was sold well over $10 million or so to the LinkedIn. There is also another site, Plural Site, started same way, giving training online. With the schools being closed for over a year and a half in many parts of the country, the homeschooling is to gain in the future. Add to the facts, the parents are disgusted about politics being interwoven in local school boards. So the homeschooling parents are going to look for teachers who can teach the subject that they cannot teach, such as physics, chemistry, math, geography. So what in essence you could do is get the experts who can teach those courses, put that together, and you can eventually start what they call e-learning center. And parents will be happy because some of the schooling that they cannot do, that will be accomplished through your company. The next one that you want to look into is event and holiday planner. Good examples of that in the United States is a site called Yes Girls. And the second one is Proposers. The next one you may want to consider is online and offline tech support. With the advancement of computers, smartphone, and complex TV and all that, lots of people do not know how to operate, how to set these things up. So there's a vast market that's open for you. For the people who are 55 and over, computer, internet, social media, network, smartphone, cable, streaming TV, this is just too much for them to handle. In every part of the town, in every part of the city, in every part of the state, there are lots of clientele wanting to know how to do those things. They can't always rely on their grandkids or kids or nephews or whatever the case may be. And also, all these people are getting older. They need life support systems, such as in the event they have sickness or something, they need a gadget that can be connected to their phone. So technical support is needed. So your clientele will be mostly people over 55 years of age, and many of this can be done over the phone. If necessary, you can have your staff member go and do the personal service, and the charges will be based on need basis. So this way it will benefit. You can hire people. At the same time, you can profit and be a success in the business because it's a needed service. This is another low-end proposition, which is to start a blog. It's not just starting a blog, but it's also building an audience. If you're unsure how to start first, I strongly suggest you can start writing on a platform such as Medium, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So eventually you will get a practice, and then you'll be able to start on your own. Once you start blog, the objective is to make sure your blog site makes money. It's called monetizing your blog. You can promote products, or you can promote service, or anything that you write. You can be associated and earn commission because if the product is sold because people read through your link, and then you will make money. Folks, this is the big one. It's called flipping. What can you flip? Many things. Websites, real estate, sneakers, old jewelry, clocks, name it. It is a very simple strategy. You can go to many of these state sales in your local neighborhood. You can go to the flea market and all that. Collect unique items, which probably are sold sometime under $1 or under $10. And then what you need to do is put that particular product on an eBay or local sites, marketing sites on even Facebook for that matter, and sell the goods at higher price. So that way you keep making money. And the next one, which has gained a lot of respect and need as a result of recent corona crisis, and that's social media management. What the small business people learned that social media is not just for only big companies. They also needed the presence on the internet. So you as a social media planner, you'll be offering service to have their business presence online. You can have regular blogs coming in or the information put on the website. And this software, there is a software that can track the announcements, how you can put it on automatically. So once you set it up, it's almost on auto mode. Now that's the important point, folks. Once you set up one client on auto mode, your involvement will be at minimal, and therefore you'll be able to handle anywhere from 10 to 15 clients, each one paying, let's say, around $100 to $200 per month. And that should be more than enough as a starter, and you'll be on your way to start your own social media agency. As I said earlier, the recent crisis that we all went through, local services have realized that they have to have social media service, and since they do not have enough staff, they will be resorting to the specialists like you to do their social media exposure. For example, if people wanted to order a food, and they will look which is the closest restaurant in the local area for that specific taste, such as Chinese, such as Thai food, such as Indian food, whatever the case may be. And how do they look up? Go online. So if the presence is not there, there's no way they're going to find out about their local service. So these local services have realized they need to have presence online. Again, more the presence, more the chance of people getting hooked on their website. And here's the thing, if you as a social marketeer are able to produce the result, like say if their gain has been over 20 to 30% because of social marketing, guess what? You have retained them for a long, long while. What that basically means, if they were paying you $100 as a starter, they may be able to pay you as much as $200 to $300 per month because you have established the need for them to be on website. Please check out the links in the description section. And also, if you have any question or need any help in starting and you need a guidance, here's my link. Please state your phone number or connecting source, so I will contact you at designated time. You remember I talked about special bonus? Here it is. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe, or if you already have subscribed, please comment on the comment section and I will send you a free software. And the software will indeed be valuable and helpful. Thanks for watching video. Please be sure to comment and to let me know how this video has helped you. Also, I welcome constructive criticisms. Be sure to like, share, and comment. Till next video, so long.